How to Boost Your Business Easily 2024. Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to effortlessly boost your business in 2024. Fortunately, there are a plethora of innovative strategies and techniques available to help you propel your business to new heights. Join us as we explore actionable insights and practical tips to supercharge your business growth with ease and efficiency. Embrace digital transformation. In the dawn of the digital era, the power of technology cannot be understated. Embracing digital transformation entails integrating cutting-edge digital tools and platforms into your business operations to streamline processes, enhance efficiency, and expand your reach. From adopting cloud-based solutions for seamless collaboration to harnessing the vast potential of social media marketing to amplify your brand presence, the avenues for leveraging technology are boundless. However, digital transformation is not merely about adopting new technologies. It signifies a fundamental shift in mindset and approach. It necessitates cultivating a culture of innovation and adaptability within your organization, where employees are encouraged to embrace change and explore novel ways of working. By fostering a digital-first mindset, you position your business at the forefront of technological innovation, poised for sustained success in an ever-evolving marketplace. To truly embrace digital transformation, it is imperative to evaluate your current processes and identify areas ripe for improvement through technology. Implementing robust data analytics tools can provide invaluable insights into consumer behavior and market trends, enabling you to make informed strategic decisions. Furthermore, investing in automation solutions can streamline repetitive tasks, freeing up valuable time and resources to focus on high-value initiatives. By leveraging technology in strategic ways, you can unlock new opportunities for growth and innovation while remaining agile in the face of technological disruption. Prioritize customer experience. In an era defined by unprecedented connectivity and empowered consumers, delivering exceptional customer experiences is not just a competitive advantage, it is a business imperative. Today's customers are more discerning and demanding than ever before, with expectations for personalized, seamless interactions with brands at every touchpoint. To boost your business in 2024, prioritizing customer experience must be at the forefront of your strategy. Central to prioritizing customer experience is gaining a deep understanding of your target audience's needs, preferences, and pain points. Conducting comprehensive market research and leveraging data analytics can provide invaluable insights into consumer behavior, enabling you to tailor your products or services to meet their specific requirements effectively. Moreover, actively soliciting and incorporating customer feedback into your decision-making process demonstrates a commitment to continuous improvement and customer centricity. To truly differentiate your business through customer experience, it is essential to invest in user-friendly website design, intuitive interfaces, and responsive customer support channels. Your digital presence serves as the gateway to your brand, and providing a frictionless experience across all digital touchpoints is paramount. Additionally, personalized communication and targeted marketing efforts can further enhance the customer journey, fostering brand loyalty and advocacy. By prioritizing customer experience and delivering exceptional value at every interaction, you can cultivate lasting relationships with your customers and position your business for long-term success. Cultivate innovation. Innovation lies at the heart of business growth and resilience, driving transformative change and fostering a culture of continuous improvement. To thrive in 2024 and beyond, cultivating a culture of innovation within your organization is essential. Encourage creativity, experimentation, and risk-taking among your team members, empowering them to challenge the status quo and explore new ideas and opportunities. Creating an environment that nurtures innovation begins with leadership. As a business owner or manager, it is crucial to foster a culture of openness, where ideas are welcomed and diverse perspectives are valued. Encourage cross-functional collaboration and create spaces for brainstorming and ideation, where employees feel empowered to contribute their unique insights and expertise. By fostering a culture of inclusivity and collaboration, you can harness the collective intelligence of your team and unlock innovative solutions to complex challenges. Moreover, investing in employee training and development can cultivate a workforce that is equipped with the skills and knowledge necessary to drive innovation forward. Provide opportunities for ongoing learning and professional growth, and incentivize employees to pursue innovative initiatives that contribute to the overall success of the business. Additionally, fostering strategic partnerships and collaboration with external stakeholders, such as industry peers, academic institutions, and startups, can provide access to fresh perspectives and cutting-edge technologies, fueling innovation and driving competitive advantage. Leverage data-driven insights. In the digital age, data has emerged as one of the most valuable assets for businesses seeking to gain a competitive edge. Leveraging data-driven insights can provide invaluable guidance for strategic decision-making, enabling you to identify trends, anticipate customer needs, and optimize business processes. By harnessing the power of data analytics tools and platforms, you can unlock actionable insights that drive informed decision-making and fuel business growth. Start by collecting and analyzing data from various sources, including customer interactions, sales transactions, and market research. Advanced analytics techniques, such as predictive modeling and machine learning, can help you uncover patterns and correlations within your data, allowing you to identify opportunities for optimization and innovation. By leveraging data to gain a deeper understanding of your target audience and market dynamics, you can tailor your products, services, and marketing strategies to better meet the needs and preferences of your customers. Furthermore, data-driven insights can inform strategic initiatives across all aspects of your business, from product development and marketing to operations and supply chain management. By integrating data analytics into your decision-making processes, you can identify inefficiencies, mitigate risks, and capitalize on emerging opportunities, driving sustained business growth and profitability. Moreover, by adopting a data-driven approach to innovation, you can stay ahead of the curve and maintain a competitive edge in an increasingly data-driven marketplace. Foster strategic partnerships. Collaboration is key to business success in the interconnected world of 2024. By fostering strategic partnerships with complementary businesses, industry peers, and key stakeholders, you can leverage shared resources, expertise, and networks to drive mutual growth and success. Strategic partnerships offer a multitude of benefits, including access to new markets, expanded customer reach, and enhanced capabilities, allowing you to accelerate innovation and achieve strategic objectives more effectively. Identify potential partners whose strengths and capabilities complement your own, and explore opportunities for collaboration and co-creation. Whether through joint ventures, strategic alliances, or co-marketing initiatives, strategic partnerships enable you to pool resources, share risks, and achieve economies of scale, driving business growth and profitability. Moreover, by tapping into the expertise and networks of your partners, you can access new insights and perspectives that fuel innovation and drive competitive advantage. In addition to external partnerships, fostering collaboration and alignment within your organization is also essential for success. Encourage cross-functional teamwork and create a culture of collaboration, where employees are empowered to share ideas, collaborate on projects, and support each other in achieving common goals. By breaking down silos and fostering a spirit of collaboration, you can unleash the full potential of your team and drive innovation and growth across your organization. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.